Hi, this is Rokibul and you're watching your most favorite Gadget Insider. We all know Sony has a very good reputation of making quality cameras on their smartphones, even though they make cameras for other world-leading smartphone brands. But this year Sony has launched their Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, which is successor of Sony Xperia 1 last year. So in this video I'll be comparing Sony Xperia 1 Mark II camera with OnePlus 8 Pro. But before starting the video, I'd like to remind you the camera specification of both of the devices, and these are respectively at the rear side of Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. 12 megapixel wide angle lens, 12 megapixel telephoto lens which offer 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel ultra wide lens and 0.3 megapixel time of flight 3D sensor. At the front side it has 8 megapixel wide angle lens. Now at the rear side, OnePlus 8 Pro is having 48 megapixel wide angle lens, 8 megapixel telephoto lens which offer optical image stabilization and 3x optical zoom, 48 megapixel ultra wide lens and 5 megapixel depth sensor. And finally it is having at the front side 16 megapixel single sensor selfie camera. Just single request before starting the camera comparison: if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe because subscription costs nothing. So that was all about today. I hope the video was quite informative and this video will help you to take the decision very easily. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to suggest something, suggest in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.